figure of a bird. A bird has two wings, two eyes and two legs. With the help of the wings, they can fly. They also have a sharp, long and strong beak. With the help of that, they pick their foods and gather their prey. They also have beautiful feathers which cover their whole body. These feathers is the only thing which make the bird looking very beautiful. It also produces a warmth in the bird's body. But sometimes these feathers also make a bird looking ugly, like crow. Except from that, they have air bags inside their body which helps them to fly. Both hear the sound and take smells. Birds are the most beautiful creature in the world. In the whole nature, there is not a single creature which is more beautiful than birds. So, we should not harm birds, catch birds and kill birds for money. Thank you.